Wales's new era under Craig Bellamy already carries a distinctively Cardiff City flavour. In the wake of September's internationals, the manager has singled out two academy graduates, Colwill and Dylan Lawlor, as players he believes can shape the national side for years to come. Colwill at 19 had a senior call-up after his brother Rubin withdrew following Cardiff's 4-0 victory over Plymouth. Although unused in the 1-0 win in Kazakhstan, Joel's inclusion was a statement of intent. Bellamy has tracked his development closely, recalling a standout display at Cheltenham last season, and praised the teenager's energy, commitment to the team and quality. He insists he has the tools to become a really big player for Wales in the coming years. If Colwill represents promise for the future, then Dylan Lawlor has already delivered in the present. Drafted in after Joe Rodon's withdrawal, the 19-year-old centre-back produced a commanding performance in Astana that earned him the Man of the Match award. Bellamy described him as a player we are all excited about, highlighting his ability to push Wales's more established defenders. Attention then turned to the Canada friendly in Swansea, where both Colwill and fellow youngster Ronan Capaccio were eyeing potential debuts. The physicality and tempo Canada offered was seen as ideal preparation for a squad in transition. Beyond the pitch, Cardiff's influence stretches further. Cian Ashford, part of the under-21s, admitted Lawlor's display had inspired him, saying it's what dreams are made of. The pathway from club to country feels clearer than ever before. For Bellamy, these emerging players represent more than just depth. They are symbols of a future he wants to build by trusting in youth and exposing them to genuine challenges. The Wales manager has ensured that Cardiff's production line is now firmly tied to the national story.